Waiting for hot water at a sink located far from a primary heating source can be frustrating. Cold water from a sink is just not useful. Plumbing a hot water line to every sink in a home or business requires time and money. That's impractical. To get hot water where it's needed, when it's needed, a better solution is to use the Tronic 3000T from Bosch, a point-of-use electric mini-tank water heater. The Tronic 3000T can supplement a primary water heater or be used under a single sink. In fact, the Bosch Tronic 3000T can be used for 3 different applications: as a sole water heating source for a single sink, as a supplement to an existing water heater located far from the source, and as a buffer installed in line with tankless water heaters that experience intermittent cold water or cold water sandwich. In any configuration, there is minimal standby loss from this mini tank water heater. There's no wait for hot water to arrive at a sink when it's needed. Tronic 3000T mini tank water heaters from Bosch are compact and can be wall or floor mounted. They fit easily under a sink in a cabinet space, and because they have a sleek and attractive exterior design, they blend in seamlessly with existing decor when installed in a visible location. Available in 3 space-saving sizes, the 2.7 and 4-gallon units have a simple 120-volt AC plug-in connection, while the 7-gallon unit, which can supply 2 sinks simultaneously, must be hardwired. To install, a professional simply taps into a cold water line, provides an electrical connection, and installs the mini tank water heater directly at the sink at point of use. The Tronic 3000T can be used at any sink where hot water doesn't exist or takes too long to reach. That includes a basement wet bar or patio kitchen station, a garage or attic, even in an RV or on a boat. No matter the application, with the Bosch Tronic 3000T, hot water will quickly be in hand, precisely where it's needed, saving time, water, and energy.
Bosch, invented for life.